Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Crazy Messi 900, and today I'm going to be showing you some a tutorial for Microsoft Adobe Photoshop for beginners. So basically, first things first, we want to get Photoshop, and I got the like free version first, and then I got the real one, bought it and stuff. It's on the link if you ever want to get it. You can also support me from PayPal account and stuff like that. But that's gonna be all in the description, so check it out. Alright, first things first, when you open Adobe Photoshop, you should have it should be basically on this tool, right? It should be your mouse. It'll show this tool on the top, and then there are three boxes. You don't want to do anything to the boxes right now. You can make them smaller. You can actually take some of the boxes out in the beginning when like you buy it and stuff. But like when you install it, I'm sorry. But yeah, you can mess with it then. But now we're just gonna use its common stuff. So first things first, you want to go to File, New, and for this, I'm just gonna write tutorials just to be bad if you're following. And for the width, we're gonna want to put 500. Height, we're gonna want to put 500. Oh, sorry, not inches. Okay, 500. And resolution is gonna be about right? Then you press OK. And this should pop up, right? Now, press on this maximize bar and it'll go bigger, so you can select canvas. So first thing we want to do is we want to go on this page, the text tool, and we want to write something. So I'm gonna go these two. Horizontal type tool is the basic type tool. You can write everything here. If you press Control P, this box will pop up, and over here you can mess with the fonts, this the metric system or whatever you want to call it, metric optical. This is the auto part, fonts again as well, color, type of text, smooth, English, USA, Spanish, all of those stuff. And then you can also go to paragraph to see like you want it in the middle of the canvas or where do you want it. You can mess with this and hyphenate. Hyphenate. I think it just like basically makes it smaller. I don't know. You have to go check for that one, but I'm not really sure what the meaning for that is. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to go to the vertical type tool. This is a really cool type tool. It's basically downwards like this, and once you type it, it goes down just like that. I'm gonna change my font color so you guys can see for a sec. Change this to that. Okay, so yeah, it kind of looks something like this, and then once you go back here, it should turn red. Okay. Yeah, it should turn red, or and you can also flip the box, which is I thought that was just awesome. Kind of mess with it, put it backwards and stuff. So that's the vertical. The horizontal and mask tool, we're gonna come to that in the advanced, intermediate stages. So we're gonna let those go for now. Next thing we want to do, let's see, what can we experiment with? We can go with the rectangular marquee tool. Basically, if you draw it all like on your canvas, just like this, and where's the color? Okay, and you right click it here, it gives you these options. I'm just gonna go through this so if a problem happens, you'll know what to do. Once you press deselect, this part goes, right? So if you ever want to make these lines go away, you just go right click, deselect, or you can go to select, deselect there. Um, Select inverse, you don't need to worry about that. Save selection, obviously, save your selection. And now we're gonna go to a new layer. So basically what we want to do for this one is if you want to make a new layer, you can go to layer, new, and layer. Or you can do shift, control, and N, you know. And once you come here, you can pick what kind of color you want, what kind of mode. I just picked a random color. But yeah, and if you take all these out, the eyes, it'll just be this layer. It's really cool to mess around with all this stuff, by the way. Next thing, I think it's gonna be the final one because the video can hold up to 10 minutes. I think I can go more, but I just want to do a little bit on this one. The magic wand tool. It's it's kind of hard to explain. It's just like basically there's yeah, it's just one tool, right? And it just selects the whole thing. That's what it basically does. There's nothing to it, you know. It's not a really a helpful tool at sometimes, but you know it comes in handy time to time, not that much. Gradients. No, sorry. This is like the rectangular, rounded, rectangular, ellipse, all of that stuff. You can make whatever kind of thing you want, kind of like a text box, but you can't really. Well, you can type in it. You know, you can get your text and type in it just like that. But yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this lesson. If you guys want to find anything out that you didn't learn in this video, just send me a message and make sure to subscribe because once you subscribe, you get the new videos. So thanks for watching, people, and I guess I will see you soon. See ya.